Assalamualaikum to Dr. and my fellow friends. My name is Nur Atirazika binti Muhammad Said and my mentor's number is 26488. So now I will summarize on what I have understand on the case of Hudson St. Clair, which need to exit or to continue operate the business, which wrote by Kathleen under supervision of Ian Dunn, version of 19th of May 2021. This case is published from Ivy Business School Foundation. As this case on exit or operate, so exit the business means to sell the business to holding partners, while operate the business means continue with the plan and contracts that already be set by Hudson St. Clair and the partners, but with certain criteria which I will explain in the next slide. So basically this case is story about the business of Hudson St. Clair. Hudson St. Clair is a business on custom suit or made-to-measure suit business of 4 partners. They approach Hulin Partners, a private equity company. Again, I repeat, a private equity company, to see if the Hulin Partners would be interested in investing in their idea. The co-founders of Hudson St. Clair need to decide either to start and operate the business or sell the business plan and contracts to Hulin Partners. There are 2 situations where first Hulin Partners was interested to buy any contract from Hudson St. Clair, which offering US $250,000 in exchange for full ownership of the business, or to reject the Hulin Partners offer if Hudson St. Clair can generate a return on equity of 30% and each invest $62,500 of equity. The company was focused exclusively on the US market. Even the name of the company itself is reflected to the places in US. The key protagonists here are the founder and co-founders of Hudson St. Clair. Silver as CEO and also known as founder of Hudson St. Clair, Arnold Ramler as Chief Financial Officer, Samuel Batts as Chief Revenue Officer, and lastly Bastien Hernandez as Chief Product Officer. The 4 of them has different background but have similar values and desire to start their own business. All of them also graduated from MBA program. Another supporting role is Hulin Partners, the one who would like to buy business plan and contracts about $250. There are 3 competitors here, which are Inichino Apparel, the one who first online made-to-measure suit retailer in North America. Secondly, Suit Supply, the one who offered both off-the-rack and made-to-measure suit online at lower price with better service and quality. Lastly, Talit Brands, the one who offered affordable off-the-rack suits and formal wear. The potential customers in their business are young professionals, spouses and partners, and affluent middle-aged professionals. So next, their marketing plan are first, regarding to the product and price. They have done surveyed about 221 respondents and already set price for their 3 products, which Albert Suit $600, Baltazar Suit $700, and Charles Suit $850. Regarding to placement, Hudson St. Clair sell through online website only because their team did not have expertise to do brick and mortar stores. Lastly, on promotion, none of the co-founders had experience in marketing, so they're willing to invest in other form of advertising if necessary, such as in Instagram, Facebook, Google AdWords, and GQ magazine. Next one, all the information related to revenue and cost I have mentioned in the case framework analysis. To conclude of overall case, there are 2 choices that Hudson St. Clair need to decide. The first one, either to operate business, but if ROE at least 30% and each invest $62,500 of equity in the business, since they also have any other liability costs such as $170,000 in debt financing of 12% interest rate. And then the next one is 4-year bank loan, which will be due in annual installment of $42,500 plus any accrued interest which paid in March. Or the second one is to approve offer from Hulin Partners, since Hulin Partners offer to buy business plan and contracts about $250,000. To make this decision, the co-founders need to come up with complete business plan, including 3 years of financial statement, cash budget, and proposed marketing plan. So that's all from me. Thank you.